What's up, guys? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Vulcan Forged. Now, Vulcan Forged, I'm going to provide you guys with a bit of data in this video. This is info that I don't think I've seen anyone talking about, which makes me think that this has still got some room to move in the next bull cycle. I don't think necessarily a new all-time high or anything like that, but I do think this can run up quite nicely in price. And I'll talk about it all in this vid. Before I get into any of it though, guys, if you're new to the channel, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed everyone that I was buying up all these coins because I expected them to have big profits. And you can see what the profits were from $100 into each coin when I released my videos, and selling a little less than 18 months on. And if you had done that, if you'd have popped $100 into each, that's $2,600 investment. Selling in under 18 months, your net profit from a $2,600 investment would be over 123 grand, which is obviously pretty good. Now, these aren't coins I own anymore. I sold these, and since the market crashed, I've been buying up new coins. Anytime I do, I let the members on my website know about it, and the website I run is copymycrypto.com. So anytime I buy a coin, I will let my members know what coin it is that I'm looking at, where they can get it, what percentage of my money I'm putting in, what kind of profits that coin can have, and they can copy along. They literally got every bit of information. And when I sell a coin, I do the exact same thing. Guys, I'm selling this coin, this percentage of this coin, and then I tell them what I'm doing with my profits, whether it's reinvesting it, whether it's banking it, whether it's buying a house, whatever it is. And again, completely transparent, so they can just copy along. There is no work for any member, and they make the exact same profits I do. Now, if that sounds good to you, making the profits, but not having to do any work, not having to do the thousands of hours of research a year, or hell, the tens of hours of just a day, then go to copymycrypto.com now and have a look at the site. Everything on the site is public record. So every video you watch, or everything you read, all the images of the members and the profits that they've made, all of it's on the history of this channel. So you can read through the entire site. You can then confirm everything you read, and you can make a choice if this is something you want to try. Copymycrypto.com. There's a link in the description, guys. Pause this video now and go check it out. Right, Vulcan Forge. Excuse me. So, market cap's $93 million. About 54% of the tokens are currently out. Its all-time high was $49.74. Obviously, it's quite a way away from that right now. In terms of Vulcan Forge, there is no sort of recent news about this. But if you're unfamiliar with what Vulcan Forged is, it's a blockchain game studio and an NFT marketplace. And they are the makers of Vulcan Verse. Now, PYR is the native utility token that's used for fees for marketplace settlement, staking in Vulcan Verse land and other assets, upgrading and sustaining game asset levels, play to earn rewards, and access to the game developers and NFT DApp incubation program. Now, Vulcan Verse is a Greco sort of Roman fantasy metaverse made up of 10,000 plots of land, Anvil, a cryptoless and gas-free NFT engine for easy game and DApp onboarding. The Vulcan Market is a gas-free NFT marketplace for all Vulcan Forge games. Berserk is an NFT online TGG. And Frenzy is a create-your-own tournament platform with PYR as its reward token. The team has 30 core members spread over Greece, UK, and Ukraine. Their main office is located in Athens, with 9 in-house and led by CEO Jamie Thompson. And Vulcan Forged is Bible everywhere, by the way. Guys, if you're interested in getting it, I would highly recommend Bitget. Bitget is going to be a top 5 exchange. It's already damn close in terms of the volume that they do and everything else. They onboarded Lionel Messi as an ambassador. They have the best earn features in the industry right now. They have the largest copy trading community in all of crypto. And they have the best rewards if you want to join. If you wanted to join, you can get $1,000 in rewards. If you put that into a coin that 10x's, you made 10 grand doing nothing different in your life. And with the partner link in the description, you get discounts on trading fees. So that means you earn more crypto as you're trading. So if you're interested in joining and getting that $1,000, use the partner link in the description. So Vulcan Forged, as you can see, game in terms of graphics looks pretty, spectacular. Total users on the platform is 128,000. Active users about 114,000. They have their marketplaces on Polygon, BSC, and VeChain, interestingly. Allowing quick auctions, batch sales, and NFT trades for all Vulcan Forge games and partners. There's been 537 trades complete. There's been 23,000 auctions. The market volume has been around 2.6 million. And then you can see what the games are. So you've got Vulcan Verse, which is the multiple online role-playing game. You've got Berserk is the tactical fast-paced CCG, sorry. You've got the Forge Arena, which is a battle strategy. They've actually been growing this pretty damn well. And then you've got the unique one, which is Block Babies, which is just a strategy card game. Now the marketplace obviously hasn't been used hugely, but it is being used. One thing that's particularly interesting and worth noting, guys, in the last 3 months, active website visitors is on an uptrend. They've been gaining around about 10 to 15,000 new website visitors every month. So this is actually garnering momentum in terms of user base, in spite of the fact that we're in a bear cycle, which is a very, very good sign moving forward, because you do want to be seeing, particularly games, garnering more attention, garnering more users. The way crypto games are going to make money is by growing that community, growing that user base, and they are growing it. Without question, they are growing it. It's a top 5 NFT marketplace in terms of volume. I didn't realize that, but again, NFT is not really something that I find interesting at the moment. I think they're a bit useless, but yeah, generally pretty damn interesting. Now, it's worth noting as well, unlock schedule. Unlock schedule is always important. So, the staking pool, 203,000 PYR over 4 years, monthly starting January 1st. So obviously there's quite a lot that's been released every single month. Not starting until March 23rd, but that's the team allowance. So it's worth noting again, 40,000 per month over 10 years. So you are looking at across 2024, you've got 9 months, till we're in December. So there's going to be 9 unlocks. So that's another 360,000 tokens that are being released. Again, that's not a huge amount, not when you look at the overall supply, but it's worth noting. Reserves is locked in for 4 years. So you do have, quite a bit that's coming out, but not huge amounts. It's not like that whole, the whole token supply is going to dump. So I don't think that really changes my perspective on what this can hit. The key thing for me is just keep continuing that uptrend. If they continue this uptrend of user base, this is going to do pretty well. I don't think new all-time high. I think $30 is a reasonable target point. But let's be honest, guys. Games are a little bit unpredictable. And we saw Axie Infinity hit a market cap of approximately, what's it, 20 billion? Something along those lines, right? It hit a huge, staggeringly high market cap. Now, the growth of a game in crypto and the market cap that a game in crypto hits is entirely dependent on the growth of the user base combined with active marketing. If they are marketing effectively, which is a big if, but if they market effectively and grow that user base consistently, it could do something phenomenal. The fact that they're in a 3-month uptrend, and I have not looked further back than the last 3 months. I am going to do that actually, but it requires a far greater deep dive into data. So I will do that. But over the past 3 months, like I say, the uptrend is there. The fact that there is an uptrend in a flat market, when there's a bull cycle, this could actually grow exponentially in terms of user base. But again, they have got to market. If they are advertising on Dex Tools, CoinMarketCap, if they are advertising in crypto news websites, hell, if they can get gamers that aren't into crypto on board, that's how they skyrocket and break an all-time high. That's what Axie Infinity did. Fundamentally, look, a lot of people that got into Axie Infinity weren't interested in crypto, but they marketed it well. So if Vulcan Forge can do this, maybe it breaks its high. But there's so many ifs there, so many variables. Without those variables, I still think this can hit $30. I would still put it at a pretty good market cap. But yeah, never discount the importance of growing a user base. And if this trend continues, things are looking very, very positive for them moving forward. And as of right now, I think quite a consistent downtrend. When they break that, I actually expect them to do a couple 100% gains anyway. But it's got to break through what is the long-term downtrend that it's currently in. But it's also something to watch for anyone that wants a quick flip, because it's very easy to draw in the downtrend line and just set an alert. The moment it breaks, it should do 100-200% gains. This is a very interesting one. And again, like I'm not hugely into the NFT space. I don't like it all that much. I do occasionally jump in and buy stuff or deep dive, but it's so damn rare. For me personally, I'm just not. Right now, NFT space needs to evolve, and they need to evolve beyond stupid pictures. But NFTs within games makes total sense to me. Ownership of land within a game makes total sense to me. So owning land within Vulcan Forge could be a cash cow potentially. But let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think this can do and break its all-time high? Are you interested in the fact that it's in a 3-month uptrend in terms of user base month on month on month? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And guys, look, you get data, you get information on this channel you don't get in other places. So by hitting the subscribe button, you won't miss out on that. And last thing, guys, just if you want to take the work out of your crypto investing, if you want to make it easier on yourself, if you want to make the same profits I do without doing any work whatsoever, that is where you go to copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run where I share with every member everything I'm doing. So I buy a coin, I let them know what the coin is, the gains it can have, the percentage of my money I'm putting in. There is no work for a member. When I sell a coin, I do the same thing. I tell them what coin I'm selling, what percentage I'm selling, and what I'm doing with my profits. Again, am I putting it under a mattress? Am I buying a house with it? Am I reinvesting it? And again, I'm completely transparent. And if that sounds good to you, go to the website now. Have a look at how the members have got on since joining Copy My Crypto. Have a look at everything I've said in the past. Everything I've said you can confirm because it's all on the history of this channel. And you can make a decision if this is something, guys, that you would like to try. And I'll see you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.